exciting day for myself and for Lightship as a company. We are taking a huge road trip from our facility here in Broomfield, Colorado, down to Dallas, Texas, and eventually Austin, Texas. This is really exciting for us because this is the first time that Lightship has crossed state lines. In the past, we've had a series of prototypes that weren't quite as roadworthy as the trailer behind me, so we're really excited to be having this new unit and really get out there in the wild and do a lot of great testing and have some fun along the way. So one of the things you want to make sure you're doing before you hit the road anytime is kind of switch it over from the camp mode to road mode. You'll really be able to see the difference in height as we shrink from about 10 feet tall like we are now, all the way down to just under 7 feet tall when you're traveling down the road. The process to do so is just as simple as pressing a button on a tablet, so we make raising and lowering that canopy quite an easy process. Excited to see people's reactions on the road. You know, I've had the pleasure of being able to take a lot of our trailers out in the past to different places, and it's usually a head turner everywhere it goes. Just really excited to kind of connect with people out in the world and kind of see what their thoughts are of the product we have. We have kind of planned out a route that we know will have access to EV charging stations along the way. The beauty of EV travel is it can force you to kind of slow down a little bit and take some time in some of these smaller places you might not typically stop at. And I think there's going to be some beauty and some magic in having to slow down a little bit.
As we were driving through eastern Colorado, we experienced a great deal of wind, cross breeze, but the trailer actually handled really well compared to other trailers that I've towed before previously. The aerodynamic aspect of our trailer was great. I could barely feel a cross breeze unless a tractor trailer was blowing past us. That kind of caused some sway, but all in all, it was really great.
Today, we knew we wanted to get some groceries, so we went to Walmart. We were able to charge up while we were in there, grabbing all of our supplies for the day. And then as we got further out into the plains of Colorado, we made one more stop at a Caribbean Adventure Network to charge up there. That stop worked out really well. They had some really large spots with designated trailer parking, and the charger was super fast, and we were in and out in about 30 minutes or so. So really great to be able to get to where we are on the Colorado-Kansas border today with only a couple of charging stops and be able to really experience all electric travel.
Prepping for a trip like this is always a little chaotic, but we got on the road at a decent time and we're at a campsite now, so it's going well.
You never really know what those charging stations are going to be like because sometimes there's no information about what they look like on Google Maps. So you're sometimes going in kind of blind, but we found the infrastructure to be great and able to work with all of our needs. We never had to unhitch the trailer to be able to charge at both the places we went. So I think everything went really well today. Really excited to be able to go on a really long, extended all-electric road trip and very excited for the next few days with the team out here.